Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Claire.
And we hired Better Together Builders to remodel our house in West Hollywood, California. Tell you a little bit about the process. So we debated whether we wanted to sell our house, remodel the house, and Claire just graduated from college and lived here for 10 years, and the house was great for myself as a bachelor, but it was a little bit small. House was built in 1920, and it needed a lot of work and TLC before Claire was willing to move in. From the very first day BTV came, I still remember the video we got. Yanni came over and shot it himself. About 8 crew members here doing the demo. Everything was knocked down within 3 days. You wouldn't even have recognized the house. The crew, they had different crew here in the backyard and inside the house. All were, of course, wearing masks, maintaining social distance. With any project, there was a few hiccups along the way. Sometimes we bought the wrong thing, or sometimes we changed our mind in the middle of the design. And for instance, we wanted a tile roof instead of a shingle roof. We got their approval within a day.
Yeah, they replaced it with all red tiles.
They did exactly what we want. We'd see how something looked. Oh, we don't want this kind of a door. And right on the fly, they would stop, change it. Never an issue, never a concern. The communication is so open with them. They never make you feel that you're in the wrong. It was always about what
we want, like how do we want it, because we're gonna be the ones living here, and so they never kind of like made us feel like, oh, you're just doing it because you want to delay the project or whatever.
Yeah, no, they were
very accommodating.
The crew, they don't abandon you when you write the final check, when you move in, when the construction equipment goes away. They've been in this house no less than 20 times since we've been in the last 2 months, even to paint a small patch.
Yeah.
They've come back and done so much touch up, never a complaint. They really, truly want this to be your dream home, someplace you're gonna be for the rest of your lives.
They appreciate that.
They know we're gonna wanna have kids and raise a family here, and these guys are good family guys and both have kids. They both understand the value of calling a place home, and that was every time you interact with them, you never felt like you were being a bother, and couldn't say enough. We've told everybody who's considering a project or wants to redo their bathroom, we've given out
BTV.
BTV. That's absolutely, we would do it again in a heartbeat.